Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Churchill and Joaquim Alamo resigned from the cabinet, quit Congress party. Resignation following Valanka's disqualification from Youth Congress election. CM says nothing in writing. In an exclusive interview to Prudent, Jagmeet Singh Brar says final decision on MOI was left to go on leaders, insists on alliance with the NCP. BJP pledges strong opposition to Mapsa District Hospital on PPP basis, threatens to file FIR against Chief Secretary and Health Secretary for alleged fraud. Brimming with special talents, Gujarati Samaj Educational Trust produces special champions. 5 students bring 9 medals from World Games. Joaquim Branches' bad luck continues. It's hard to miss out on India chance again, says the Dempo star. Now the news in detail. Churchill Alamo and Joaquim Alamo have resigned from the cabinet following a disqualification of Valanka Alamo from the Youth Congress election. Both of them have claimed that they have quit the Congress party. Political analysts say that this is just another blackmailing tactic of the Salsett duo.
Saturday noon came as a big blow to the Churchill group. Valanka has been disqualified from contesting the Youth Congress election. The Youth Congress election officer Sumit Khanna declared Valanka disqualified for the election. This created a turmoil in the Alamo family. The duo Churchill and Joki announced that they will tender their resignation from the cabinet and will no longer be a part of the Congress party.
आमको तर मुखिया बाबा का नाम तो रिस्पेक्ट ना होने सिंह तो बस आम रेजिग्नेशन जिलावन रिजाइन जिला में सीएम कौन ऐसा मेंबर and ऐसा मिनिस्टर आता सीएम ते एक्सेप्ट कर पाचे कौन से एक्सेप्ट कर पाचे नहीं तेको अनाव लगा पड़ा.
That's why we spoke, both of us. We met Chief Minister. We given our resignation. We given even a member of the party. Let me very clear. Because I hurt. After doing slogging because of my family, I play a game with the family. I survived this government for 2 times. I not supported my brothers. Last so many years we are living together. After doing this, and this is justice for my niece, we'll see. We'll wait and watch for one day.
But as per the statement of the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, he has not received anything in writing from the two. He has also stated that they should raise their issues on the right forum. CM says, I have not received any intimation in writing. They are upset. They have met me. They should raise the issue on right forum. They have spoken to the senior leaders in Delhi. Sources informed that this is just a blackmail tactic. Sources also informed that Valanka Alamo visited Congress desk in charge in Goa, Jagmeet Singh Brar, on Saturday morning. Brar left Goa and Valanka received the disqualification notice. Gitesh Kamath had alleged that Valanka is using Congress leaders for campaigning. And hence, a notice was served on Valanka. Youth Congress felt that Valanka has violated the rules and regulations of the election process and action needs to be immediately initiated.
अजून दिवनार म्हाका दिसना ते राजीनामा दित अशें म्हणून
पण त्यांनी स्टेटमेंट दिला प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन.
अच्छा नाही पण तांचो राजीनामा अजून पावूना पूण म्हाका खात्री आसा की काँग्रेस पक्ष जो आसा ते तांची आतां कितें मागणी आनी कितें गजाल घडल्या ताजे कितें उपाय काडटले
आनी तेणी रजिस्ट्रेशन दिल्या कितें सरकाराचेर कितें परिणाम जातलो
कितें
तेणी रजिस्ट्रेशन दिलें
ना राजीनामा दिवूच ना अजून दिले नंतर परिणाम पळोवपास न्ही तो राजीनामा अजून दिवना अजून मुख्यमंत्री कडेन पावूना आनी पावले जाल्यार सुद्दां ताजेर उपाय आसा ते कितें जाता राजीनामा आत्तां दिलो आनी रोखडोच तो राजीनामा हें जाता अशें ना राजीनामा मान्य करपाकच कितले दीस लागू शकतात आनी ताजेर कितें आसता कसलेय प्रॉब्लेम जगां असले जर जायत ताजेर उपाय काडपाक जाता त्यामुळे हो घरचो विशय आसा हाजेर कितें ना कितें सुटका काडटले उपाय काडटले.
Our reporters Ramesh Naik Raut, Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
In an exclusive interview to Prudent, Goa desk in charge of the Congress party, J.S. Brar has said that the final decision on the MOI issue was left to local leaders in Goa. He has also insisted on Congress-NCP alliance during the next assembly election.
One is that this is kind of a minority appeasement because this has been done for votes and keeping elections into mind. And second, this is more of a political decision than
No,
educational.
if it would have been for votes, then we should have kept quiet. We should have kept it simmering, lingering on, लटकाते रहो भाजपा की तरह मामलों को. कांग्रेस का फैसला है कि मामले लटकने नहीं चाहिए. मामले आवाम और उस प्रदेश की भावनाओं के अनुकूल, उनके सोच के मुताबिक हम उनको हल करें. मगर हमारी ये बिल्कुल इंटेंशन नहीं है कि हम अपनी मातृभाषा के सामने कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे. वो मातृभाषा चाहे गुजराती हो, चाहे पंजाबी हो, चाहे वो कोंकणी हो, चाहे मराठी हो, चाहे वो तेलुगु हो, चाहे वो कन्नड़ हो, उन भाषाओं की सुपरमेसी अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रगल पीपल हैव रियली they have fought for their regional language status. So no compromise on that. No, not at all.
At the end, High Command left this decision to Goan leaders. Is it a fact?
Yes, that's right. The government, it's basically a duty of the state government and the state leaders to come up with a consensus opinion. So it was a consensus opinion.
Sir, what about the coalition? Is Congress, because there have been statements coming up from Congress leaders that we are confident enough to go alone. What is your sentiment on that?
No, see, during this Rajya Sabha elections, I'm grateful to the NCP plus the other party in Alliance MGP. They have voted for the Congress. Mr. Sudheen and Deepak and Mr. Fernandez and all of them, they have been very positive in their approach. So I don't rule out the future alliance with them. We will go in an alliance. There's nothing, because this was a crucial test for these parties, and these parties have stood by the Congress on ideological basis.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
BJP is pressing hard not to run the Mapsa District Hospital on PPP basis. They have threatened to file an FIR about the alleged fraud in the tendering process. The blade is hanging right on top of the Chief Secretary and the Health Secretary. Parrikar was speaking at a press conference held in Panji on Saturday.
BJP has come out strongly against functioning of Mapsa District Hospital on PPP model. The BJP MLA of Mapsa, Francis D'Souza, has knocked the doors of High Court in this case. They have threatened to organize a dharna in Mapsa in coming days. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar has warned the Chief Secretary of filing a FIR against him about the alleged fraud in the tendering process.
जे कोण भितर participate जातले without, they will be participating with their own risk, because I am bringing it to their notice. If this is proceeded further, I am filing an FIR in next 1 or 2 months, 1.5 months. सगळे document official right of information घेऊन फाईल करतलो properly. 1 महिनो 1.5 महिन्या भितर हाजेर FIR फाईल करतलो हांव. तातूंत भितर हे सगळे अधिकारी आनी कॅबिनेट जर तूं भितर पडत, कारण अजून पर्यंत कॅबिनेट भितर एप्रुवल ना हाका. कॅबिनेटूय बरोबर, विश्वजीत राणा सकट आनी चीफ मिनिस्टर सकट.
Manohar Parrikar has stated that government has committed many illegalities in the approval of procedure while tendering the Mapsa hospital project.
हांच्यांनी कन्सेशन एग्रीमेंटान बरयला की वखदां आमी दितले. कितली वखदां दितले, केन्ना दितले, कशे दितले ह्या संदर्भात कांय एक खुलासो ना. म्हणजे अगेन आर्बिट्री क्लॉज बिटवीन 2 to 6 crores वर्थ इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. आनी सगळ्यांक लास्ट CGHS रेट जे आसा पळय ते 2007चे दाखयल्या. हातून शेड्यूल 9 प्रत्यक्षान बीड डिस्कशन करता आसतना हळूच एका लायनीन हे चेंज केले लेटेस्ट CGHS रेट म्हणून.
He also alleged that Finance Department was not taken into consideration while tendering the contract. He has estimated a loss of 50 to 60 crores to the exchequer every year due to this project.
एका जाग्यार पर्सनलाचें मागलां म्हणजे मॅनपावर जी पळय आहा ताजेर आनी त्यामुळे हे सगळो टेंडर जो डॉक्युमेंट आसा इज अ बिग फ्रॉड. इट कॅन कॉस्ट स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट एनीवेअर टू 50 to 55 crores in terms of
Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Shan.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.